going guys? Ben from BSC Geek. We are in Raleigh, North Carolina, the Raleigh Conventions here for GalaxyCon 2023. Here's day one of GalaxyCon, Thursday, July the 27th. So I just got here, so I'm about to go in and we're going to check everything out. Lots of stuff going on, celebrities, lots of vendors, toys, all kinds of stuff going on. So we're going to go check everything out. I've never been on Thursday before, but I've heard Thursday's less busy, so hopefully I'll be able to get some good footage without a lot of people being around. But we are going in, so right now I get our tickets. Okay, registration is right over there. VIP check-in over here. It's for you all your tickets. Prop check-in right down there. It's your prop check-in. Press panel, special events, all that. Merchandise down there. Alright, so got my Thursday ticket. I'll come back tomorrow and get my weekend ticket. Alright, there's the convention floor. Collectibles and everything else down here. All the celebrity booths on the right hand side behind the green curtains. Alright, we're at HWAR's booth right now. I'll show you his booth. Saw the statues here. It's Galactus. Sentinel. Got the Mythic Legions over here. Tons of Mythic Legions. They got the Cosmic Legions also. I'll show you those in a few minutes. It's Black Series back there. There's Animal Warriors of the Kingdom. Awesome display.
Forward to show.
Yeah, that was
Forward to show too.
I don't know. I racked my brains about it. I can't think of it.
Come on in, sir. We got a closer look.
This is got a story over here. I think I'll go over to the celebrity area, see which wrestlers are here right now. There's Andrew Herman Art. There's a toy booth over here. I'm not sure who this is. Saw a lot of pops. It's mostly pops. So I'm not sure what this is. There's a lot of pops over there.
You guys got any questions? Let me know. I may be 17, but I've been around for a while.
Let's see, there's some other stuff over here. We'll check in here for a minute.
Yeah, around 5. I'll do 25. That's original for that period. You know what I'm saying?
So I also saw the action figures for this booth and the pops on that store. House of Puzzle Corpses, Simpsons, Motu, Predator, just a bunch of different things here. There's the VHS tapes over here. There's Billy Puppet from Saw and Michael Myers mask. Here's some T-Terras, Alf, Stranger Things, Spawn, some little bit of Star Wars, some Transformers, some comics over here, some Angora magazines. Different kinds of horror dolls over here. Celebrity area over here towards the left side of the building. Kevin Owens right back there, and I don't think he's here yet, so I am going to walk around and see if I can find Orange Cassidy and Britt Baker, see where their booths are at, and come back over here. But Giancarlo Esposito's over here also, Joe Mahale, Vincent DeFlorio. That is how I pronounce it. But we'll go see if we can find Orange Cassidy and Britt Baker. There's Kevin Owens on there, so that's going to be the first person we'll meet. Britt Baker and Orange Cassidy down there. Just met them a few minutes ago. Met Kevin Owens also. So we are going to walk around a little bit. Let's see. Smart work. Pops. I don't want to. Let's see. What do I want to do? I haven't seen Chroma's booth. These are real neat. It's like it's all anime. 60 bucks. Well, no, like it's $60. So these are around 40 each, or 75 for two.
Would you be scared of it? You're serious?
Ooh. Excuse me. Just wanted to get a shot. I saw these guys over at HeroCon, the amazing Heroes minifigures.
It's like perfect.
I got a ton of these figures over at HeroesCon, so I hope I'll be able to show you these because I mean it was just so probably at HeroesCon I couldn't show you anything.
Which one? You said Poppy Playtime for 20?
I got about like at 8 at HeroesCon, so there may be a few more I get. You know what? Excuse me. There's Star Wars, there's some Marvel down there.
No, that's okay.
Show you the Marvel ones. This is Network Toys, games, and comics. All the time, toys come into gaming. Some pops.
So, like, what do you...
We're looking at the different boxes.
Star Wars over there. There's the Star Wars figures. Dead casing. 120, 149, 275 for T-Boat. Wow. These are originals too. All original protective casing, so $3.25 for C3PO.
So I did that, and then I got a hit. It'll look better once it's all
How's it going, Larry? I have a Grandma's booth. Just walk around. How's it been over here? Good. Yeah, it's a pretty light crowd. Yeah, it's a pretty light crowd.
A little bit.
Yeah. GalaxyCon merch booth. There's the kid.
It really is.
It's a good time to get some fish with it. Not being as crowded. Cross will definitely pick up tomorrow.
And after it did well, other psychologists
Got all the helmets over here. These are, I don't know who these, okay, these are Galaxy props. Here's all the info from Galaxy props. Some clone helmets. Morning guard. Really nice. These are really good. Opening day for GalaxyCon 2023 was good. Turned out good for me. This is my first time going to opening day for GalaxyCon. This is actually my second year going to GalaxyCon. So opening day is first for me. My main goal was just to go out and check out the floor, see what was out there, and see where everything is. Because I will be there all weekend, so I want to go see where everything is. Meet up with a few celebrities. Go see H4 and his group over at his table. His table is the one with all the mythic legions and cosmic legions. So go check their table out. They are towards the far left side of the floor. Chroma Toys is out there too. Want to go see Larry and his booth. They're somewhere in the middle, kind of towards the right side where all the celebrity tables are. What else? Saw Kent Poole out there. Talked with him for a bit. Met Kevin Owens,
Britt Baker, Orange Cassidy, met all of them today. All very nice. Kevin Owens was only out there for today. I wish he was there more days, but today was the only day he was out there. I know he's battling a rib injury right now, and just there was a lot of speculation that he was going to cancel, but I'm glad he didn't cancel. So he wasn't. Reason I went on opening day because when I saw that he was announced for opening day, I was like, yeah, I got to go meet him. So, but anyway, my ticket wasn't that bad. It was only $35 for Thursday for opening day, so that wasn't that bad. Britt Baker and Orange Cassidy, they'll be back on Friday, so I'll be probably seeing them again when I come back. Let's see who else. Mick Foley, I saw Mick Foley roll by him a few times. I think he's going to be back on Friday, so I may get a photo with him when I come back. But anyway, good first day over at Galaxy Con. I did pick up a few Lego minifigures today. I want to show you real quick before I let you go. These are from the Amazing Heroes minifigures booth. Saw the booth over at Heroes Con in Charlotte, so I was really happy to see them there over at Galaxy Con because I love their custom minifigures. They do such an amazing job with all their customs. So I got a few more Star Wars minifigures. So I got Darth Malgus. Starkiller. They have a armored version of Starkiller that I may get pick up when I go back. I have no idea who this guy is. If you know who this guy is, let me know down in the comments. I know he's some kind of trooper, but I don't know exactly who he is. Got Johnny from The Shining. Pinhead from Hellraiser. And last but certainly not least, John Wick. You got to have a John Wick in your Lego minifigure collection. And all these are really reasonably priced. They're so they are $4 each, or you could get 6 for $20. So that is a great deal on Lego minifigures. I mean you cannot get minifigures that cheap at like a regular Lego con. I mean, I was just at Break Universe a few weeks ago, and I mean, figures like that, you would begin for at least $20 each. So that means it's $4 each for those. It's just an amazing deal for those. But anyway, that's gonna be it for my opening day 1 vlog for GalaxyCon 2023. We'll be back at it again on Friday. Check more stuff out. Have some more videos for you throughout the weekend over at GalaxyCon, so look forward to that here on the channel. And if you went to GalaxyCon, let me know what your experience was like down in the comments. And if you're new to the channel, please remember to subscribe, hit that like button if you like this video. And I will be posting some pictures on my Instagram at BSC Geek, so go check those out. And I will see you guys next time.